Hey there, curious about how to unroll a Nectar mattress? If you've just received your Nectar mattress, you're probably eager to enjoy its cozy comfort. Fortunately, setting it up is straightforward and can be done in a matter of minutes. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to unroll a Nectar mattress, ensuring you get a great night's sleep as soon as possible. Step 1. Prepare your space. Before unrolling your Nectar mattress, you'll need to prepare your space. First, clear your bedroom of any unnecessary items to create a tidy environment. Ensure that the foundation or bed frame where you plan to place the mattress is ready and appropriately sized for your mattress. This is also a good time to have any necessary tools on hand, although you won't need many, just a pair of scissors or a box cutter to carefully cut through the plastic packaging. Step 2. Unbox the mattress. Start by placing the box containing the Nectar mattress in the room where it will be used. Carefully open the box, ensuring not to cut too deeply or you may damage the mattress. Slide the rolled up mattress out of the box and position it flat on your bed frame or foundation. It's crucial to handle the mattress gently to preserve its structure and prevent any damage. Step 3. Unroll and position the mattress. With the mattress laid out on your foundation, begin unrolling it. You'll notice it's enveloped in a protective plastic cover to keep it compact during shipping. Carefully remove this plastic using your scissors or box cutter, taking extra caution not to pierce the mattress itself. Once the plastic is off, the mattress will start to expand almost immediately, so position it correctly on your bed frame. Step 4. Allow the mattress to expand. After unrolling your Nectar mattress, it's important to allow it time to expand fully. The mattress will begin regaining its original shape and thickness as soon as it's out of the packaging. However, for the best sleeping experience, it's recommended to wait at least 24 to 72 hours before sleeping on it to ensure it's completely decompressed. During this time, keep the room well ventilated to help any potential odors from the new mattress dissipate. Step 5. Inspect and enjoy. Once your Nectar mattress has fully expanded, take a moment to inspect it. Ensure that it has properly regained its shape and there aren't any manufacturing defects. Now it's time to dress your mattress with bedding and pillows to suit your style for a relaxed, inviting atmosphere. Congratulations, your Nectar mattress is ready for use. Unrolling a Nectar mattress is a simple and exciting process that enhances your bedroom setup in just a few steps. From preparing your space and carefully unrolling the mattress to allowing it to expand fully, you're just days away from experiencing superior comfort and restful nights. Remember, the key is patience, as the mattress takes some time to reach its peak form. With this guide on how to unroll a Nectar mattress, you're well on your way to achieving a haven of relaxation. Enjoy your refreshing sleep on your new Nectar mattress.